everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Madhushmita and you're welcome to Dear Wallet. I think it has been more than 7 to 8 months that I have done like this kind of long format video. Video is all about my beauty favorites till now. Like it has been almost 6 months that we are in 2026, so there are a lot of products that I have been using. This video is going to be super long, so make sure that you have grabbed something to eat or something to drink, and let's talk beauty. So I'm going to start with the body care first. So the first product that I've been dying to talk about is from this brand called Asaya. This is their underarm mist, and honestly I have been using it for a while now. Like it has been almost 6 months already, क्योंकि मैं इसको दिसंबर से यूज कर रही हूँ. I use it every single day coming from the shower, and trust me, I saw the difference. Like my underarm skin has gone down like 3 to 4 shades lighter. It's very affordable, under rupees 400. You can get this from Amazon or from Nykaa. Next product that I have with me is this magnesium body lotion. I have already talked about this in my Instagram story. So I do get a lot of anxiety while sleeping nowadays. Like इतना अच्छा decision लिया इसको buy करने के. First of all, the smell is so spa like. It relaxes your muscles so well. Like after a hectic day, just apply it and you will feel the difference. Let me tell you, my friends have used it, I have used it, and everyone has felt the difference. So yeah, do get this. I also got their body wash as well. It smells exactly like the body lotion. It also feels very relaxing. This has lavender and chamomile, so it also smells so good. Before you go to your bed, if you take shower, then please use this body wash, you guys. Trust me, you will thank me later. We have one more shower gel from this brand called Plum Body Loving. I know ये वाला रेंज आपने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर को बात करते हुए देख लिया होगा. This is their boardroom in Bora Bora shower gel, which has dragon fruit and hyaluronic acid and rice water. So the moment I saw the ingredients and the notes of it, I was very intrigued क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सिमिलर लगा. Guess what, ये किस चीज़ का ट्यूब हो सकता है? Sol de Janeiro ka Cheriosa 68. You can try the shower gel because definitely the smell lingers for like 1 to 2 hours. So yeah, go for it. That was body care. Now let's move on to hair. मैं इतना ज़्यादा experiment की नहीं हूँ. Like I have been using the products that I have using like past when there's nothing new to show you guys. But yeah, I have started using these L'Oreal के mask absolute repair range. I have already finished up. Yeah, एक डब्बा तो फिनिश हो गया, but I do have a backup of it as well. If you have super duper frizzy hair and आपका hair like you know बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाता है, flyaways निकलने लगते हैं, then definitely try this hair mask. This has been a life savior for me, you guys. Like एक बार मैंने एक salon को गई थी, उन्होंने मुझे recommend किया था, and I think it's so worth it. It's not a product exactly. It is a detangler brush which I got from Miniso. But हाँ, ऐसे वाले आपको Amazon में मिलेंगे, Meesho में भी मिल जाएंगे, Savana में मिल जाएंगे. Just look at this. This is a silicone detangler brush. I actually use this for my conditioner and for my hair mask. So जब मैं shampoo करती हूँ तो to evenly spread out the products, I use this particular brush. And ये silicone है तो आपका hair damage भी नहीं होता है और hair fall भी नहीं होता है और ज़्यादा बार टूटता भी नहीं है. So trust me, this has been a life savior for me. Recommend you guys, if you have frizzy hair, then try to go for these kind of brush whenever you apply your mask or conditioner. Very helpful. Let's talk about skin. I want to show you these two sunscreens because obviously we are in summer and I really wanted you guys to try these. So first I have from the brand Beauty of Johnson. ये इनका रिलीफ सनराइज प्लस प्रोबायोटिक विद SPF 50 सनस्क्रीन है, एंड दिस इज वेरी पॉपुलर सनस्क्रीन इन कोरिया. एंड ये कोरिया का नंबर 1 बेस्ट सेलिंग सनस्क्रीन है. बिल्कुल भी ऑयली नहीं है, लाइक बहुत जेल लाइक टेक्सचर है इसका. सो वंस यू अप्लाई इट यू विल फील द डिफरेंस. इसको लगाने के बाद आई डोंट इवन यूज अ मॉइस्चराइजर, आई जस्ट यूज दिस, एंड ऑल्सो इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल अंडर मेकअप. लाइक यू नो कभी कभी सनस्क्रीन लगाने के बाद आपका मेकअप पील होने लगता है, बट ये पील नहीं होता है. दिस जस्ट लुक्स सो beautiful under makeup. That I have with me is from this brand La Roche. I am sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrect. This is their SPF 50 anti-dark spot fluid. It's a very good sunscreen. After using this, I could see कि मेरे जो dark spots है वो और ज़्यादा dark नहीं हो रहे हैं. मैं पहले ये sunscreen use करती थी, and after using this, I could feel the difference. Like I haven't changed anything in my skincare routine except this. So I must say that yes, this does work. पहले I was quite skeptical कि एक sunscreen कैसे you know dark spot को हटाता है, but this is really worth it. Finally, now we are in a makeup category. I have two primers with me. So first I have ये NYX का glue primer और ELF में कोई difference मेरे को पता नहीं चला, but one big difference I would say that this is very lightweight. ELF थोड़ा सा heavy लगता है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चिपचिप लगता है. This grips a lot, yet it feels very lightweight. Like chip नहीं लगता है when you apply. This has a very gel-like texture. The next primer that I have is which is ultra affordable is from the brand Insight. This is again their gripping primer. अभी मार्केट में इतना सारा gripping primer आ गया है ना guys. Do let me know in the comment section to do like a comparison of gripping primer. I would love to do that. I mean I might do it as well because that's a very good idea because I do have 3 to 4 gripping primers, so I might do that. So yeah, ये भी काफी अच्छा है. So if you're looking for an affordable option, then you can go for this. This is like an exact dupe of ELF. So if you don't want to purchase 1300 का gripping primer, then you can go for a 300 rupees ka primer. Today also I have used this primer underneath my makeup and I just love my makeup. Coming to foundations, again I haven't had the opportunity to try a lot of base product this time, but I have got this BB cream from Maybelline. ये मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा because this is great for everyday use. बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है, especially for summers. The full review is already up on my YouTube short, so you can check it in. Since we're talking about base product, I really want you guys to try this. This is Cuffs and Lashes का cover pot and I have the shade Pure Beige with me. This particular shade I use it as my corrector because just see the shade. It's not peachy, it's not too orange, it's just perfect to hide your dark circles. So if you belong to my skin tone, then you can use it for correcting your dark circle. This is a very good full coverage concealer and not a lot of people are talking about it. Another concealer that I want to talk about is from the brand PAC. This is their newest concealer, I believe. This is their Studio HD Liquid Concealer and I'm in the shade Medium 260. This is a very hydrating concealer. This does not give you creases. I do have a lot of fine lines underneath my eyes. Still, this works so perfect for it. So if you have matured skin or if you have too many lines on your face, then you can use this. Since we are talking about PAC, I have another product. It's their matte compact. I have the shade Biscuit. ये perfectly मुझे match करता है. I use it as my setting powder or compact powder. Like after I use my loose powder, I just use this to dab all over my face, and it just makes my face look so filter-like, so blurring. So 100% recommend you guys to get this. Like invest in good loose powders and compact, you guys, if you want your makeup to last for a very long time, especially if you have oily skin. This is a perfect compact powder. Since we are talking about long lasting makeup, I do have a setting spray for you. This does not have that weird smelling fragrance, and this works like 12 hours. The Urban Decay ka highlighter, I know you guys must have seen this setting spray like over years now क्योंकि ये जब इंडिया में नहीं आया था तभी मैंने देखी थी and I had my eye on this particular setting spray, but I'm really grateful that I got this in my PR and honestly best. I think this is worth every hype. Since I started doing makeup, मैंने इसके बारे में सुना है and I finally have this on my hand. Coming to eyes, again मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ तो purchase नहीं किया है eyes में, but one thing that was really going viral, I purchased it. It's from Swiss Beauty. This is their Jelly Verse Glow Stick and I have the shade Bronzed Eclipse. I also have another shade of it, but this is so worth it, you guys. Just look at this. If you are someone who's a beginner, don't know how to do makeup, just use this, you guys. This is a one and done eyeshadow and just use this and you are good to go. You will feel like कुछ effort लगाना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Let's just see how matte my eyes are right now. Just look at the difference, you guys. And it was so effortless to use. I also have a mascara with me. I know अभी L'Oreal का नया वाला mascara भी निकल चुका है, which I have tried as well. तो मुझे कुछ difference पता नहीं चला, but yet that cost really, yeah. तो बट ये आपको अभी भी सेल में कहीं ना कहीं तो 600-700 के आसपास मिल जाएगा. आई पर्सनली गॉट दिस फॉर 500 फ्रॉम मिंत्रा. मैं मिंत्रा में भी देखती रहती हूँ, कहीं पे भी मुझे सस्ता मिल जाएगा, मैं आई गेट इट. सो ये पैनोरमा मस्कारा है लॉरियल का. Literally I have this on my eyes as well and I have been wearing this mascara for over 9 hours right now and you can still see how beautiful it has left up. If you ever get this on during the sale, do get this. Now we have some lip products. Most favorite मतलब choose करना पड़ा कि कौन सा product मैं दिखाऊँ which is a must buy. I reduced to 2 of it. So first I want to show you this Forever 52 का lip oil. This is their juicy glow in the shade grape soda. I got this in the PR again, but this is so thick, you guys. This is not chip chip. Like ऐसा काफी बार होता है कि the lip oils that I have tried are thick, yet they are very chip chip as well. This is completely opposite, you guys. It is thick, yet it is super hydrating, super smooth. Like when you apply it, you can feel the richness of the lip oil. Like this is exactly how your lip oil should be. And the lip product that I want to show you guys is from this brand Tipsy Beauty. This is their Glacier Glow Plumping Lip Tint. Again, plumping effect कुछ नहीं, just makes your lip super glossy. But they comes with these kind of metal applicator. And I'll just quickly show you the swatch of it. ये dry होते होते बहुत dark हो ही जाता है. अभी it might looks very light. You have pigmented lips, you must have seen कि आपकी lip lines में ये patches हो जाता है. Whereas this one is completely opposite, you guys. This just leaves a beautiful tint behind. If you have pigmented lips like me, you can go for the shade Guava Sorbet. This is really good. Last product I have with me is a perfume. Maybe you know, maybe you not know, but this is Ajmal ka perfume, and this is their Ajmal Whistle Lail. Oh my god, like Middle Eastern perfumes are like so on the point, you guys. Like they never disappoint me. Like when it comes to the notes, when it comes to the long lasting power, they're always the best. So yeah, ये actually Ittusa है, and Ittusa आपको 600-700 में मिलेगा. ये मुझे Amazon में मिला था, which was for about 600 rupees. Very similar to Lancome का Idol. This one I'll just insert the image. काफी ज़्यादा similar है because this has rose. इसका भी थोड़ा बहुत rose है. They both are very similar, yet थोड़ा सा like difference तो है ही, like 80-85 difference तो है. But if you wanted to try Lancome का ये Idol and it's too much, then you can go try this one. क्योंकि notes and all everything is quite similar, as I told you, 80-85%. So try this. अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगेगा, then for sure आपको Idol भी काफी अच्छा लगेगा. That is what I have been loving in the past 6 months now. All the products links will be in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.